Run, run, run. Tube. Tooby doob. Run, run, run. Well, I'm getting ready to repair this center brace. I bought the whole damn brace. Just gonna cut that part off and put it in there. I don't care. I'm not gonna take this whole brace off. But I am going to prepare that. That's another one of the things that I did. My crazy self. Dumbass. I cut this out so that I could put a stick shift in here. This car had a stick shift in it. 5-speed. I cut that hole out too. Like I did that crap up there. You know, cut the dash out. Cut the VIN tag off and everything. Dumbass. So, before I put the metal over this, I want to prepare this brace. So I cut it out. It's exposed now. I can get to it now. I can get to it now as far as welding. I'm going to weld that. Problem now is measuring it. Yep. Quasar. 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Saying what's up. Happy Father's Day. Look, check it out. I've cleaned up pretty good around the edge there. See that? See those edges? I'm going to weld those down. I don't think I'm going to do a complete butt weld, but that's a lap weld. I'm going to try to get it as best as I can. Just so it can be sturdy, you know. That's all I want it to be. I want it to be sturdy, not pretty. All right. Talk to y'all later.